Say what, So, are you tired of throwing away dishes and pots and pans you cannot clean? And are you tired of doing the dishes? Well, fear not. There is a way to do so. And have some fun doing it. Alright, so, list of things you will need. 1, you're going to need dish soap. Okay? Or this dish soap. Doesn't matter. 2, you're going to need a sink and your dirty dishes. Right? And 3, you're going to need your cleaning thing. Alright. Or, for the harder stuff, you need one of these. Now, if you really got the serious stuff, right? You got serious stuff you really need to take care of. There's this thing. This thing is your all-purpose main tool, Craftsman, with a removable brush head. Alright, now time for the fun part. Alright, let's do this in the language. Alright, so you see here's the language, and let's go over this. So, this is a sink, as you are aware of. Tuss all coat. Tuss. Cold, tuss. Squall all coat. Eh? So, tuck 12 chud, tea coat. Quaff 12 chud, tea coat. Tuck 12 chud, tea coat. Eh? What should, tuck 12 chud, tea doofsa go solid. Alright, we plug the doofsa go solid. Quaff 12 chud, tea coat. Alright. Now we got here is your stoog. Alright, your stoog. Throw that in there. Sockadisa bud. Here you got your socks. Here you got your soft cocoa. Here you got your chow welch. Now this could be a regular bowl. This could be this kind of bowl. This could be a bowl. Yeah, just a bowl. All right. And then you got your laquite or slach. Laquite or slach. Then you got your lalap. And this one, you got your yeah, we'll work on it. Alright. Get there, dump out of chud tea doofsa go sali tea, all the doofsa go sub, bachad of chud tea doofsa go sali, tuck 12 chud tea coat, quarter of chud tea ecosid. Eh? Wait. And quarter of chud tea stuff stoves ogwulch, right? You clean oots ogwulch, clean oots ogwulch chud. We clean chud. Alright, out of chud. Flip it. Out of chud. Oots ogwulch chud. Okay? And then oots ogwulch. Alright. So what we're doing there is just we're describing the action. And there you got a clean pan. Or also known as a I don't have it there. We'll work on that. Alright, you grab your oots ogwulch or your chow welch Alright. You grab your chow welch, and then you can do it this way. And Oots Ogwulch Chud. Or you can still grab your man tool, your stove. Oots Ogwulch. Kekia Titsiayo CT Oots Ogwulch. Oots Ogwulch. Right? Clean. It's Ogwulch. Clean. It's Ogwulch. Right? Alright. Clean pot. Alright. Again. Quit. No. Yeah. Raw. Mind the black splash. Oots Ogwulch. There. Oots Ogwulch Alta Slapks. Oh, Oots Ogwulch Alta Safkokwa. Oots Ogwulch Alta Stug. Eh? Oots Ogwulch Chud at the Akdisbud. Eh? Oots Ogwulch Alta Slach. Eh? Oots Ogwulch Chud at the Slach. Alright, wipe it. Clean it. Then you come over here and then we start spraying the heck out of it. Alright? We're gonna quash twelve chud to quote, and then we're gonna Oots Ogwulch. Hey, Oots Ogwulch Chud. Oots Ogwulch Chud. So Oots Ogwulch is also cleaning and rinsing. Oots Ogwulch. Oots Ogwulch at the Safkukwa, Oots Ogwulch at the Chalayo, Oots Ogwulch at the Patala, Oots Ogwulch Chud at the Quasub? Hey, that's what it was. Oots Ogwulch at the Flops, Oots Ogwulch Chud at the Akdisbud, Oots Ogwulch at the Stew. Hey, Hoyuk Chud.